Hello, we are Group 31. We are consist of three members, Vũ Anh Kiệt, Nguyễn Anh Đạt, and me, Ngô Huyền Tông. Today, we will present to you about our application called Notes app. Now, to begin, you will need to open SAM and start the Apache and MySQL. After that, you will open the signup.php. Here, you will see that you need to fill in your username, your email address, and create a password, as well as confirming your password. After that, you will click sign up. After clicking sign up, you will be sent a verification email. Simply click verify account and your account will be activated. Since we have already made an account, this will appear. Um, Here is the code for the verification page. After verifying your account, simply click the login page and it will send you to the login PHP. Here, simply fill in your username and password and click login. Here is your profile. If you ever want to log out, simply click the logout button at the top left corner. If you want to reset your password, click reset password and fill in your email. Click send request link. Here you can see that your email has been sent. Simply click reset password and it will direct you to the reset password PHP. Fill in your new password. As you can see, I have reset my password. After logging in, you can see here. You can see your profile. Click edit profile to and you can edit your profile however you want. Your name, your email, even your avatar. You can choose whatever picture you want. And then click save changes. Back. And you can see your avatar change. You can also click user preference and you choose whatever you want to. Between the line dark theme, the layout, font size, and also color. After you're done, click Save Preference. And as you can see, your preference has been changed. That's it for my part. Next will be Geek's presentation.
Hello everyone, my name is Geek and I will be showing you simple node management. In here, I have created two test nodes. Now for this, to change how you view it, you go to user preference. In here, you can change the layout of the nodes. I will show you grid layout. Here is what it looks like when you change it to grid layout. I will change it back to list layout. Here it is. Now, let's create a new node. In here, I will choose title. I will create the content. I will click on add node. Here's the node that I created. Now, if I don't want to use the note anymore, I can simply delete it. It has been deleted. Now to update or save how the notes would look like in future, I can simply just type here, and as you can see, it has been updated, and I can also change the title. So what if you want to attach an image to, to display any sort of content that you want to see? Now I will make a new note, but this time I will attach an image to it. Here, as you can see, I have successfully created a note that contains an image in it. But there are some very important notes, but I can show those notes. I can also display those notes at the very top by simply pinning it. This is how it will look like if it were pinned. I can also unpin it. And the other one, this is how you can pin the important notes. But pinning it is not enough. What if you want to search notes when you have too many notes? Well, you have this. Test tutoring. This is what I'm going to search. As you can see, it will highlight the note that I am trying to search. Now, let's make a note with labels attached. Now, I will click on the test. This is a label that I already made. Content. Here is the notes with the label attached with test. But if you want to make new labels, you can click on the manage label and create new ones. Here is what the new one looks like. But if you don't like it, then you can simply click on here to delete it. It has been successfully deleted. And that's all for my presentation. Next will be Dak.
Alright, hello everyone, my name is Zach and I'm responsible for the module 3, also I will call it is Advanced Notes Management. First one, we have to enable and disable the password for each node. So let's take a look on the code. Yeah, this one. I combine all the necessary items in the Advanced Notes docs PHP. So let's have a look at this. Besides that, we also have to send and receive notes in Advanced Notes Management. So I create one more. We call it says notes.php and also update say notes.php. So let's have a look. Alright, that's all for the code. So let's practice and let's see what it can do. So password protects. So because this one is just created and has no password, we have to create one more password. for the first time. For example, I enter 112, just confirm it 12 log notes. So we can see the notification does not locked successfully. Yeah, and after that, when we want to edit it or do anything with this node, we have to unlock node and have a password for that one. Just want to again. All right, and we have some more there. First of all, is relog node. We just relog it, and we no need to enter another password. Just use the old password, which is 12. After that, when we want to change password or remove password, 12, and so I'm gonna ask 123 for next password successfully. So I'm gonna remove password. So we see the successfully notification when we disable the password. All right. After finishing disable and also password protection, disable password or change password, we move on to another section which is share and receive node. It's 23 and 24 picture in the score description. I combine all this is one. So let me test. First of all, we just click to share notes there and just enter. For the 24, we can exactly do this thing for the receiver is candidates or it's just only read. So I click on can edit to make sure that the receiver can edit the code. So channels, so we're gonna see the not share successfully. Now I will log in this app and just have a check is it successful or failed. Alright, I just successfully logged in at this app with name Geek1 and just look at channels there. We're gonna see is successfully and we're gonna see the icon which means that we are able to edit it one. Alright, for the USY we already combined in PHP code, so we don't slip it. You can see the PHP there. We decided to use basic and professional color with two main one is blue and white. To check for the responsive, we're gonna so to check to the responsive function, we decided to use inspect elements there. Yeah, we can also check to the responsive in many different device. Let's say iPhone 15 Pro, or we call it IWCS in iPad Mini, all work successfully. The apply capability already in the local host, so it's doesn't necessary to mention more. We already active this one in local host. For the online deployment, we actually didn't finish it successfully. So that's the end of our presentation test. Thank you for your listening, for your attention.